Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. As you can see from the title of this video, this is gonna be a good one. It's gonna be my male friend doing my voiceover. Like, yes, this is gonna be, look at him, Mr. Enjoyment himself. Ladies, give him a clap for Simon! Hey, 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 hey. This song was for him.
Enjoy yourself. Oh, I'm just fixing my camera. Hey, look at me, I'm fine. Hey, now I'm gonna use Lycra to cream my face, put it on the cheeks, both sides, up, and then I'm rubbing it in, rubbing it everywhere, on my nose everywhere, on my mouth everywhere. Hey, now I'm using the Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to use the egg to blend it. Everything, blend in. I'm blending the tin. I'm blending on my eyes, on my cheeks. Oh, can you give me my phone? Oh, now I'm going to conceal everything together. So I'm concealing under the eye. You know you got to make that cat look. You got to put it on your nose, on the bridge of your nose. Hey, even on the eyelid. Now you got to put it on top of your lip and on your chin, and above of you, on your forehead as well. On your forehead. Then I put on the side of my face, both sides. Now I'm going to use my egg again. Blending. We have to blend everything. Blending. I'm blending. Blend it in. Blend it. Continue. I'm blending. Blending under my eye as well. Blend it. Now I'm using this palette. I'm using the pink one and the other one next to it as well. And I'm gonna put it on the side where I've used the conceal. Now I'm gonna conceal between next to my eyes. Yep, under the eyes, you see that? Now I'm blending everything, blending. You got to blend everything so everything can come together. Everything can come together. Everything can come together. Blending. Blend. Blend even the ones on the eyelid. Blend it. Blend everything so everything can come together. Everything. You don't want to be take picture, flashback, and you're just looking one haggard. Oh, now we come in with the banana dip. Now we literally put it under my eye as well, under my eye. This now will cook everything. We'll cook all the makeup together. We'll cook it. Cook. You can never go wrong with a bit of banana dip. Listen. Oh, now I've got it on my top. Oh, remove it. You see me? Hey, Mark! Now, I come with the Shine. Now, this is called... this one is called... hey, Mark, this thing. Oh, I've forgotten it. Now, come a bit more bronze in the eye, bronze. We're gonna bronze our face, cover our face with bronzer. Under the eye, you see me under the eye, I'm using it. Now we come with the glow. This is now gonna give me the glow. Oh, now, I've got a bit of hair on my eyebrow. Let me move that. Now I'm gonna put on my cheek, the side of my cheek, on the sides of my face. Carry on blending it. I'm using the brush. I'm gonna blend it all together. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. Other side, up and down on the side, and the side. Hey, I'm looking for. Oh, now I'm gonna put it as well on my eyelid as well. In the middle, just between the eyebrow and the eyelids. Oh, and the side of my nose as well. I'm going to do it on the side. Oh, now I'm going to do it on the other side as well. On the bridge of my nose as well. Hey, now I'm going to use the big brush. Now I'm going to rub it on my cheeks. Rubbing. I'm going to rub as well. I'm moving the hair. Blending it together. Blending it. Now I'm using some pink thing. Oh, I'm putting on my cheeks. Blush. Hey, I'm smiling, you see? I'm looking fine. Sexy. Woo! Hey! Revolution. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm trying to open it. Got it. There. Hey. Putting it a little bit on my cheek again. Give it that shine. Hey, you see that glow? You see that? Hey. Oh, I'm putting it on top of my eyebrow. You see that? Oh, yeah. Now I'm using the big brush. Oh, I dropped it. Got it. Now I'm using the Revolution setting spray. Gonna set that thing. Set it. Got to set it all together, you know. This it's gonna set everything together. It's gonna make everything come together. You see me? I'm looking nice. Oh, I dropped it. Oh. You see? Now I'm going to use eyeliner. Oh, eyeliner. I'm gonna go on my eyelid and make a straight line. Hey. Use it. Line. On the side of my eye, line it. Line it. Open the eye a little bit. I need to see everything. That make I'm doing straight. Line it. Line the thing. Oh, now I'm gonna come with the mascara. Hey, now this is gonna give it the pop. It's gonna make my eye pop. Popping. It's gonna pop, make the eye pop. Because, you know, out here it's a struggle. So we gotta do something to make our eyelashes pop. Now I'm gonna come with a pencil. Oh, bless me. Bless me. Oh, you know, my baby's texting me, you know, I gotta reply. My baby. Give me a second. Oh, now I'm gonna come with the pencil under the eye. The eyeliner. Oh. Ooh. My eyes are running. Ooh. My eyes are running. Ooh. Let me get my fan. Ooh, fan myself. Make sure it makes my eye dry. You see me? I'm sexy. Oh, now I'm gonna put glue on my eyelash. So blow it. I'm gonna blow. How you see me? I'm sexy. You wish your girlfriend was hotter than me. Hey. Oh, now I'm gonna stick on the eyelash above my eyelash. You see me, I'm looking nice, I'm looking sexy. You see me, I'm looking fine. Now I'm using the pencil, I'm gonna line my lips. Line it. Line the lips as well. Line it. Above as well, on top. Hey. Now I'm gonna go for that red. Hey. The red lipstick. I'm gonna I'm gonna place it on my lips as well. Look at me, I'm looking sexy. Rubbing the lipstick on my lips. Now I'm gonna use a brush a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more on my brush, on my lips. Just get into them places that I couldn't get, you know. Look at me, I'm looking fine. I'm looking sexy. Somebody's wife. Wow. You see me? Oh, now I'm going to move the clips. You know, we've not yet finished the look, so I have to put everything together. I have to do the hair. You know, I haven't finished the look, so I need to look the part. Oh, I'm coming. I'm using my comb, my brush. Sorry, my brush. I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing it. Brushing. You see me now? I'm moving the hair on the side of my shoulder, moving it. See me? Oh, giving you that top model look. Oh, bounce. You see me? Yes, honey. Yes. You see me? Oh, yes. Salute. I even give you a salute. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and you like and you share.